So if you read the comments, you know that the Anstoy M4a1 is one of my favorite blasters. A lot of stuff you can do to it. Very popular model, and it's also a very popular airsoft model. So there's a lot of 3D print kits out there for the M4. Okay, so what I did here is this was a kit that converts the M4 into an MP5 style. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything I did here. You got a lot of things going on, so it's not just the kit, right? All right, so you can see the front end here, how this has changed quite a bit, right? You've got the handle. The handle is also helping to support the barrel, but this is what's connected in here. This piece, I'm not sure. I don't need to have it there. You can leave it like that, but it does add some extra support around there, so I just haven't glued it in yet because I'm just not sure if I want to leave it there or not. And then you can see this top piece goes the full length of it. And this actually is intended for you to be able to stick the battery in there. So if we went with that factory battery, the long tube one that this comes with, it would actually fit in there. But of course, I want to use a 11.1 volt because it's more fun. So I went ahead and mounted a battery box. So you see, I've got a couple different things going on here with some different rail risers. You know, it's probably a little bit of overkill, but since I had them printed out, I thought I'd use both of them. So this one just allows you to do, you know, a side rail like that. So I went ahead and put a battery box here on the side. And this again was a battery box that ended up being the wrong size. So I widened it out and kind of modified it a little bit so that it worked better for my battery and added some rails on top there, right? Then we've got this rail up front here. You can see where it allows you to go ahead and split off different accessories. So cool little MP5 conversion. Looking forward to shooting it for you guys. And I've got one other really cool M4 conversion I'm working on right now. And then that's about it I got in the hopper for the M4. I'll have to just keep looking and trying some other stuff. So again, let me know if you guys like it. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're participating in all the giveaways. So here we have my Anstoy M4a1 converted to an MP5. Put a little battery box on there with an 11.1 in it. You can check it out here. We'll do some shooting with it. As with all magazine-fed blasters, you know, even the good ones with the motors in here, still takes a couple seconds to start firing, and they always work best if your magazine is full. So it's not uncommon, no matter how good your blaster is, that you can't get every last gel ball out of there. So that's just kind of the nature of the beast. So just something to be aware of, that that's just how they all perform. All right, so it's pretty cool shooting it. Let's test FPS. So my FPS is way slowed down. So I'm guessing what's happening here is I need to widen this piece a little bit. So you can see how that is probably a little too narrow. So each gel ball, they're flying out, but they're kind of ripping up as they fly out. So it's shooting them. They're shooting out no problem, but they're not shooting out as fast as they could. So that's what I need to do, either kind of, I'll probably just bore it out with a file or something to make it work a little better, but still fun to shoot, still shooting, just kind of spraying all over, as you can see. So again, Anstoy M4a1, went ahead and did an MP5 conversion. Just need to probably do some modifications to this, or even just put a different barrel on there too. I could do that. So, all right, guys, thanks for checking it out. Make sure you're liking and subscribing, referring friends, and participating in the giveaways.